Oh, we get lost in the night. We living in life, we don't live it twice, so we gon' get right. Oh, yeah.
Alright, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do two hairstyles: slicked middle part and side part. I just messed that up, but whatever. And continue watching. Alright, y'all, this is what you're gonna need for your hair. I have my choice of oil. This is castor oil. My choice of gel. This is Eco Styling Gel. A hair moisturizer. This is just a hair brush. One soft side, hard side. A rat tail comb. An edge control brush. And a spritzer. That's good. And this is my hair freshly washed. I'll just put it into a bun. Let me take this whole out. Okay, I'm gonna go on with the spritzer and just dampen my hair so it's easier to work with. When you slick your hair, you don't want it to be too wet because that's how the waves come. You want a slick style. Okay, I'm gonna go in and oil my hair with this castor oil. Instead of dampening your hair and you want your hair to be a little softer, you can just moisturize your hair. I'm gonna go in and moisturize my hair with this black Jamaican castor oil coconut curls. Okay, now we're gonna work with the side part. I part my hair on this side. Okay, you're gonna take your comb and you're gonna take the rat tail end. When I slick my hair and I part to the side, I kind of slick it into a C. And there's that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna dampen it because I want to comb through it. I'm gonna take the rat tail comb and comb through the hair to prevent lumps, you know, just get a slick look. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is go in with the Eco Styling. Okay, now you can take your brush and just brush it down back to your point. Okay, and then you take a scrunchie and tie it as tight as you can. Now for the good part. I'm gonna take this toothbrush and dip it into edge control and style my edges. Okay, what I typically do for the edges is I'll brush this side down. For the first loop, I'll take it outwards, hold it down, and swoop in. Okay, and then for the second loop, you take every hair underneath that first and brush it down. You're gonna take this, put your finger down, and swoosh it in. Okay, and then for this part right here, what I usually do is just swoop it down and back, like so. And then I do the same I did on the other side with this side. I pull the hairs from underneath the swoop and then swoop backwards. Hey. Okay, now we're gonna do a middle part. And this is my hair out from the last hairstyle. I'm just gonna part it down the middle. I'm gonna do a deep part back. Okay, I'm gonna dampen my hair a lot because there's still gel on from the last hairstyle and doesn't really budge. Okay, I'm gonna comb it back into the bun. Okay, now that it's combed and lump free, I'm going to brush it back. And I'm going to brush it down, not back. And although my hair doesn't really need it, but I'm just gonna add gel. Pull it back, ayy. Now for the edges. I'm just gonna comb out the hair I want. Okay, now that I have the hair that I want out, I'm just going to lay it. I'm just gonna apply gel to my brush. Lay it down. Okay, I laid it down. And now I'm just gonna lay my finger down, create a dip, and brush, and get it. First and foremost, you lay the hair down. Then you create your swoop. For the sides, I just swoop the hair down and lay back. Alright, y'all, this is this middle part. You know how we bumming. Thanks for watching my video, and make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. But yeah, comment what type of videos y'all want to see or whatever.
We don't live it twice, so we gon' get right. Oh, yeah.